So whenever I see article headlines like this, it gets me so excited. Because you guys already know on this channel, I love foldable phones. I love making videos about them, I love covering them, and I love using them. I do own a Surface Duo 1, Surface Duo 2, Z Fold 3, and Z Fold 4. And I'll be honest, I can never get enough of them. Now, I've said many times on this channel, though, that we are a long way away from seeing foldable phones become a mainstream device. The reason why is because, first off, the price tag, and second off, really, it's the design and durability of these devices. But when I see something like this, where it says Samsung drives 63% surge in foldable phone sales in Q3, it gets me very exciting. The reason why I say it gets me excited is because of the fact that this market scale for Q3 is from July to September. So this is not really putting in all the sales and discounts of the Z Fold 4 that really racked up the sales of Q4 for the foldable phone market. So obviously, yes, the foldable phone market for the Z Fold 4 really is going to look good because Samsung has made so many countless different, additions or ways to bring down the price tag. For Black Friday sales, you could get the Z Fold 4 for around $500 if you traded in the Galaxy S22 Ultra. If you trade in the Z Fold 3 2, you actually got the phone for $1. So there's a lot of people who have upgraded to the Z Fold 4 from their old Samsung phone because of all the discounts and sales. Samsung.com was running discounts. You could get, the phone plus Galaxy Buds plus, a phone case for $1,500. So a lot of people dove on that and went after those sales. But a lot of those sales came in Q4. So Q3 was really the sales, because we already know Microsoft didn't give much sales at all, let's be honest, because Microsoft Surface Duo 2 has been sold out all year long. So this really came down to just Samsung and Oppo. There's not many other foldable phones on the market that would really be pushing these numbers up. Now, of course, don't get me wrong, I love the Z Fold 3. I think Z Fold 3 is an amazing device, and this kind of time period really favored the sales of Z Fold 3 skyrocketing, which is actually really weird. The main reason why is because the Z Fold 3, you think a lot of people would be going more toward the Z Fold 4. So as the article does read right here, from July to September, foldable smartphone shipments worldwide surged around about 63% on year to 6.08 million units, although the global smartphone posted stagnant sales. Foldable items accounted for 2% of total smartphone sales during the cited period, up from last year's 1.1%, which, to be honest, is still a huge increase. I know you might say that's only a 0.9 increase. You got to keep in mind how expensive these cell phones are. To see that much of an increase is huge, and you only have one company in the market. Can you imagine if Microsoft didn't have the sitting on their thumbs right now and actually push more toward inventing and improving the Surface Duo lineup? You could see that be 3, 4, 5%. Then you have Google now, who is now joining the party. They could push that up 4 or 5%. And then obviously if Oppo ever goes internationally, you have a whole entire market here. This is why I'm excited about it. And I know right now the projection is by 2025, we're going to see these foldable phones become a mainstream device. I still don't think we're there yet, especially when we're only going from 1.1 to 2. We're going to at least need to see that 2 become like a 60 or 70, become a mainstream device. But still, it's a huge improvement. And that's all that matters at the end of the day, is seeing this huge improvement moving forward. And 2023 is going to be the year of the foldable phones, okay? We already know the Fold N2 came out. That phone looks absolutely amazing and beautiful. If only it was international, we would actually be able to truly see how successful it could be. But we already know Google Pixel is coming out sometime soon. The Google Pixel Fold sometime early Q1 of next year. That phone is probably going to be international. First, there's some talks about it only being released in China. Now it looks like it might be released across the globe. That's going to really push up numbers. Obviously, Honor is probably going to create another cell phone, as they always do. Vivo, the sister company of Oppo, will probably come out with another phone. Again, probably strictly released in China, not going to be international. Disappointing. And then the Surface Duo 3, which right now, based on rumors, is supposed to come out in August. Now, obviously, there's no confirmation, there's no leaks, there's no information about Surface Duo 3, but that is projected to come out in August. Now, whether we do get that or not, we're going to have to wait and see by that on, Microsoft's part. But still, there is possibilities this year that we could see a huge market shift, and maybe that 2% at this, 2% right now ends up becoming 7% by next year. Other rumors, again, keep in mind, anytime I say a rumor, take it with a grain of salt, okay? Because we don't know, we're just going based on rumors. Rumors are there's going to be another Samsung foldable device coming out in Q1 of next year. And that phone is going to be a foldable phone, but it's not going to be a foldable phone like we have seen with the Z Fold 4. It's going to look a lot like a Microsoft Surface Duo 2, but be a foldable phone version. Again, that's all rumors. There are also rumors that we're going to see a slidable phone come out by Samsung. There has been also reports that Samsung is not interested in slidable phones. Again, like I said, there are a lot of rumors going out there, but it looks like Samsung might be getting rid of the Galaxy S series after this next year and be replacing it with a foldable phone series. Based on what we have seen, though, the Galaxy S23 looks like it is coming out, and it will be arriving in Q1 of next year. That does not mean that we could possibly not also see a foldable phone come out and kind of be its, replacement or its next upgrade. Let's wait and see what Samsung does. But Microsoft, the ball's in your court right now to really take over this market and push forward. Microsoft, Google, these are the two companies, okay? These are the two companies that could help become a mainstream type device. These foldable phones becoming mainstream, those two companies need to do something to perfect this and move it forward. Now, I know you might say, wait, what about Apple? I don't know if we're going to get an Apple flippable phone anytime soon. Based on reports, it's not supposed to come out till 2024. It's being delayed. It's being pushed back. There are issues with building the actual thing. And then there's issues with Apple not really believing in foldable and flippable phones. They want to wait and see how technology develops, if it's going to become good, if it's going to become good enough for them. And they're not going to jump into it until they truly are able to, see everything working out. And in all honesty, that 2%, Apple's not jumping in on. If that 2% ends up becoming at, let's say, for example, the Q4 happens with all Samsung sales, and that number ends up becoming 6, 7, 8%, maybe Apple starts looking toward the idea, but I think Apple would need that to be at very least, 15, 20% for them to join in any type of market when it comes to affordable flippable phones. But that's just one man's opinion. Guys, if you did enjoy this video, hit the like, comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.